In this video, you will learn how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Many users have reported that they cannot see the Meta AI feature in their app. This can be frustrating, especially if you want to use it for chatting or getting information. I will guide you through the steps to solve this issue. Start by locating and tapping on the Apple App Store icon on your device. Once inside the App Store, look for the search button located at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type WhatsApp, then hit search. In the search results, find and select the official WhatsApp application. If there's an update available, you will see an update button next to it. Go ahead and tap that to download and install any updates. After updating, check if Meta AI is now visible in your WhatsApp. If updating didn't solve your problem, it might be necessary to completely reinstall WhatsApp. Exit out of the Apple App Store by swiping up from the bottom. Locate the WhatsApp application icon on your home screen. Tap and hold down on the WhatsApp app icon until options appear. Select Remove App from these options. A prompt will appear. Choose Delete App to confirm that you want to remove it from your device. Now that you've deleted it, go back into the Apple App Store. Tap on Get to start downloading and reinstalling WhatsApp onto your device. Once you've reinstalled WhatsApp, launch the newly installed application from your home screen. Follow any prompts needed to set up your account once more if prompted. After this process is complete, check if Meta AI is now visible within your chat options. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.